Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to delete Gate.io account. So for this, first you need to launch Gate.io mobile application on your mobile phone. Then open the app on your mobile device and log into your account. Here at the top left you have your profile icon, click on it. Then here at the front of username you have this arrow, click on it. Now you are here in user center. Here you have three options: profile, security and preferences. Click on security. Now scroll down and you find the option of close account. Just click on it. Here give the reason that why you want to delete the account. Reason 1, I do not want to use this account anymore. Reason 2, I have several Gate accounts and want to combine them. If you have your own reason, then click on other and specify the reason in this box. Then click on next button at the bottom. So this is very easiest and simplest way to delete Gate.io account on mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to it, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.